Welcome. Come on in.
The door opens out.
So, welcome to the Celebrity Reflection. We actually got a balcony. We actually booked a inside cabin, and they upgraded us to a balcony. So, this is going to be what a balcony room looks like. As you come in, you got the bathroom. We do have this this master light. So when you do walk in, you can just hit this light. It turns on all the lights. But anyway, we got the bathroom here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom.
Go ahead.
All right, so we've got the shower. It does come with shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. It does have a wand, so you can remove it, spray yourself, decent water pressure, no issues there. You've got your toilet. You got Kleenex, you got toilet paper. You do have 3 drawers, or 2 drawers, and a trash can.
More space than we've ever seen in a bathroom.
Huge counter. When I say huge, comparative speaking to other ship bathrooms, this is actually huge. It's you actually can walk in. You're not. It's just like twice the size of a regular cruise bathroom. But anyway, you've got a sink. You do have some cubbies to put your toiletries in, towel racks. You do have one outlet for a shaver or anything like that. But yeah, it's a good sized bathroom. You do have a couple of hooks to hang towels or bathrobes.
I'm going to go ahead and get this bathroom shower. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. You got all of your body washes he talked about, and the conditioner and shampoo. And I love how the shower heads come off. You can hang your clothes here when they're wet. It's a little different than the string that goes across. More room for a bar for shaving your legs, ladies, and more room to put more stuff.
All right, so as you come out of the bathroom to your right, you do have your thermostat. Oh, as soon as you walk into your cabin, put that thing down as low as it'll go, because it'll take a while for it to cool down. But this room has been pleasantly nice. We do have a fan also, so it's been great. It's been actually really great. We also have a full-length mirror from head to toe. Come over here to your right, we've got the bathroom, or the closet. It's just a regular closet, no drawers or cabinets or anything. It's just a full-size closet.
It's got robes in there.
A couple of robes.
For little people.
We do got a couple of hanging hooks for any of your clothing. We got a large bed. It's like a king-size bed. It does have 2 lights above it. There is no outlets whatsoever. So if you're going to be charging your phone or anything, it has to be somewhere else. You do have a couple of cubbies on each side, a little nightstand, a couple of cubbies, just to put your drinks or whatever on. On this side, you do have a phone. If you need to call any kind of services, you got that. And then over here, we've got the couch. Decent sized couch. It does have a, is this a fake?
It might be a faux drawer.
Yeah, if that'll come out. Maybe that's for the bed or something. But you got a little bit of artwork here. You've got a coffee table. And then on this side, you've got a swivel television. You got a counter space. You can ask for, like we do, is we ask for ice every night. They come in here and have ice for us. You got some Kleenex. You've got 3 drawers. They're deep drawers, so that's nice. Right over here is the safe. And right below that is a refrigerator.
We don't know the price.
It is not complimentary. You will have to pay for it, but we don't know what the prices are at this time. This is the fan that I was talking about. This is a lifesaver, guys. We're used to sleeping with a fan. It's quiet. This one has 4 settings. Puts off just the amount of air. You can swivel it, whatever angle. You can extend it. Has oscillate where it swivels. It's just also has a remote control.
And it closes completely down to fit into your suitcase.
So easy to pack. It's great. I love it.
Light too.
Okay. Right over here is the vanity. It does come with a chair, a drawer. This is where your outlets are going to be at. We've got this this travel adapter that we bought on Amazon. Both the fan and the travel adapter will be at the will be a link in the description below. But anyway, you just never know when you need it, when you need more outlets. This has different countries.
It's got some plugs in it already.
Okay. But anyway, it got different countries for different outlets. It has any kind of outlet you can think of. It's got all these USB-A's, USB-C's, just a lot of different adapters. So anyway, we like it. And it wasn't expensive at all, but it's always nice to have, whether you're in a hotel, cruise ship, whatever. Anyway, so this is the balcony.
Woo.
It does come with a couple of chairs and a table.
Nice loungy chairs too.
Yeah, if you notice the chairs, it can different levels, so that's nice. That's nice.
Very nice out there.
And as you see, we're in the Bahamas today, but yeah, I like the balcony. It's nice to if you come out here in the evening or at night, and you just want to chillax. But anyway, this is our like I said, this is our cabin for the next few days.
Very spacious.
So far, this is our first night, our second night actually, and we've had a good time so far. And stay tuned for the next few videos about the ship.
We do want to mention one thing about this room. If you are a light sleeper, this room has a lot of noise when it's coming in and out of port. So it sounds like an anchor dropping or something, because we are at the front of the ship.
The very forward part of the ship.
And so just so you know, we're not very picky, but we had to go back to Fort Lauderdale last night due to a medical emergency within a guest here on the premises. And when we did, it was like 12 something at night, and I'll be, woo, more storage. And it kept us up until they got out of the port, or into the port and out of the port again. Anyway, I just found some more room for us.
Yeah, we didn't know this. We just found this out. So
Just happened to see that. Oh, an extra blanket and stuff like that.
wow.
Anyway, so here we go, guys. This is our room for the next few days on the
Celebrity Reflection. Until next time, guys. Later.